What's up guys, it's a good old fall day out here, and here is your intro to wheelies. If you were watching this, you most likely attempted a wheelie, or you can wheelie but you're learning more about how to ride one. This is the video for you. First thing I want to talk about is the type of quad you have. So right here we got a Honda 490X. So later in the video, I'll get out a smaller quad, show you that you can also wheelie smaller quads. 250 sport quads on up are probably the easiest to wheelie. The bigger, you can wheelie utility quads, but it's pretty sketchy. Alright, so let's get into our wheelie. So first thing you gotta do is pop it up. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna shift your weight back, pull up on the handlebars and punch the throttle. So that's the hard thing about the smaller quads. They won't have enough power to get, you're gonna have to have your weight shifted back more. Alright, so there's the very first step of you riding wheelies for miles. So just practice that, getting her popped up. If you're too small and you don't have enough muscle to pull it up, with the smaller quads you won't have enough power. So what you're going to want to do is you're actually going to want to like stand, maybe you can use the back grab bar, back wheelie bar, shift more of your weight backwards. You can almost get it to pop up without even any power from the quad. What we're going to do is get the little quad out. So show how to wheelie littler quads. So you can see, it's possible to wheelie a mini quad, but it's a little bit harder. So I think there's not a back brake, which that's the next thing I want to get into, is using the back brake to keep yourself from tipping over.
Come right back down, tap back brake. And if you're going 50 miles an hour doing a wheelie down the road, that'll save your life.
So there you have it. That's the basics of my style of wheeling. Just remember, you know, get on that thing, shift your weight back, pull up handlebars, punch that throttle, get her up, and tune in next week. We'll have the next video is going to be about how to find the sweet spot so you can ride in wheelies, and we'll go over shifting and getting to more higher speeds of doing wheelies and some different tricks you can do. So tune in next week, you don't want to miss it. First video of a series, and I haven't posted in a while because I've been trying to find, you know, my style of videos. I got a brand new GoPro Hero 11. Love this thing, and I might do a review on it if you want to see like how it works and everything. So, you know, everybody have a good day, and thank you for watching my videos.